Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sandy here. If you are new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you guys are not new, welcome once again. So today we are going to do my new updated routine. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company. So 2025, I decided I'm not gonna wear too much makeup, so I've changed certain things in my routine. So one of the things that I do, and you guys could already see, I do my brows, because you know that's a must right there. So I do my brows, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do like on a daily basis when I don't feel like doing much. So I have different type of routine for different types of depending on what the day is given and where I'm going that day. So I like to do my eyebrows, but then I like to use a moisturizer because my skin is a combination of oily and dry. So I get like oily all over here, and then I get dry all over my nose. Like my nose would get oily, like, and right around the corner would be so dry, like right here, all dry. So what I do is I use this, which is the 8 Cosmetic Primer. It's like a moisturizer. I wouldn't call it a primer. It's a moisturizer. The 8 Cosmetic Moisturizer. So far, like, this has been the best for me so far. So a little bit goes a long way. So I just dab a little bit and I'll apply it throughout my skin, throughout my face. Just something I'm doing lately. So I do suffer from a lot of acne since I was 12 maybe. So none of this is new. So it is what it is. So my favorite primer this year is this. I don't know if you guys can see because the camera is like, can you guys see this primer? Like, this is one of my favorite primers, which is the one size, but this is the oil sucker. You guys can see how much I squeezed this, and I still have some left, but I definitely need to buy me another one because, like I said, like, I get very oily, like very fast, very soon, like right around here, and my entire forehead and my eyebrow area is always oily. So I definitely had to try so many different type of primer just to get certain result, but so far this is definitely the best. So, but like I said, depending on what day it is, if I'm doing like more makeup than the usual, I'll use this. But if I'm not trying to use a lot of makeup, I probably don't even bother. So what I only do is I would apply where I put my eyebrows, like where my eyebrows are. What I would do is I would apply where my eyebrows are, only because that's the most makeup I'm gonna do. And the next thing I do is, these days, no makeup is makeup. I just use my LA concealer. I have other concealer. You guys can use whatever concealer you want. So like what I would do is, instead of like applying like a full tinted moisturizer or foundation, because I stopped wearing foundation every day in like maybe a year or two. I used to just apply just tinted moisturizer, like literally, because I'm like, why not? But nowadays, honestly, I'm like, I'm not even doing all of that. So what I do is like I tapped it where I have some spots, whatever spots I want to hide. Honestly, if I wouldn't even want to hide it, some days I don't even care, but some days I do care. So I would apply here and there, or you could just use foundation, whatever works for you, because I get, like, as you guys can see, I have uneven skin tone, and I stopped caring about that. But I will apply a little bit under my eye, because under my eye gets too dark. I'm gonna show you. So add a little bit wherever you want to hide some imperfection, and then we are going to get a brush and blend it in a little bit. So this is the brush I've been using. I don't remember what brand makes that brush, to tell you the truth. It's called Moda. I don't know, but yeah, I don't remember where I bought that brush. So we just blend it in the areas that I want to hide. So the best bet is like a tinted moisturizer, honestly, compared to the concealer. The concealer works better on the eye, but in terms of like hiding the dark spot, you could still see them. So like, as you can see, that it covers my little imperfections. This is just a patch to just hide the imperfection. So instead of like me saying, hey, I'm gonna put a full foundation on, I'm not really doing that because I got time for that nowadays. So this is what I would do. And then if I really feel like I need more of a coverage, I'll use this. So I have two tinted moisturizers that I use, and this one is my so I'll use this. I have two tinted moisturizers that I use the most, and this is my favorite. It's the Rare Beauty tinted moisturizer. I guess you can see this is my third one, and this one is very low, so I'm gonna show the difference. So little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. So as you guys can see, like if I want more for coverage, I'll use this. You see the difference between this side and that side. So this would be it. So what I would do is add a little more to both sides, you know, a little bit in terms of what I want, you know, just to have a little coverage, because this is just a tinted moisturizer, so it's like applying more moisturizer, but it has a little, it's like foundation. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember. So I would do the same thing on my forehead, you know, and that will be that. Like, so those are just days that I really want to do more. And then the last thing I would do is use my setting powder, because once again I get very oily, right? Like, guys, this is a tinted moisturizer, so it's not gonna give you full coverage like, you know, your foundation. That's not what it's here for. It's here to like give you a easy, quick thing, and then you'll be out in your way. So it's not here to give you full coverage, none of that. So then once I'm done with that, I'll apply my setting powder. So my favorite setting powder is this one by Laura Mercier. I got this in like maybe a year now. It's my everyday product use, but talking about that, we gotta do some trying from some new setting powder. I got some Juvia's Place setting powder, as well as ColourPop cosmetic setting powder, so we have to try those out eventually, but because I'm yet to try them out. So this is pretty much what I would do. I just apply it exactly where my oily skins are, because look at the areas that has a setting powder compared to the areas that doesn't have. It makes a difference to your makeup, I'm telling you. So it makes a difference to your makeup. This is so much better. So after this, I'll just apply one of my tinted lip gloss stain or whatever it might be, and I'll call it a day. And then this is for my everyday look. And in terms of like which tinted lip stain I would use, guys, I've fallen in love with the NYX Cosmetic Lip IV. It's the best. Like, when I tell you guys it's tinted, I've been using them, and I did get them as like a sponsorship, but I fell in love with them, and I'm not a big lip gloss person. I prefer matte lipstick all the way, as you guys can see. So this one is one of my favorite matte lipstick. It's actually from the drugstore. Look about your drugstores, guys. This is it, from the beauty supply store. This is the color, and the color I'm wearing is called Millbrook. my favorite color, I think, is actually this is my favorite color. So it's not fully nude, it's more like a mauve nude color. So if you see what it look like, but my favorite go-to lipstick. So on some days it look like mauve, and some days it look like a nude-ish. So this hells that, and I think this is like maybe $4. I don't remember how much it is, but it's been my go-to for like a couple of years now, guys. So this is it, guys, for my everyday look. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. But I'm not gonna wait.